Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about the portable version of Rufus, a handy tool that lets you create bootable USB drives without installing anything on your computer. If you travel a lot, work on multiple PCs, or just want a lightweight, flexible solution, this video is for you. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tutorials and guides. So, what makes Rufus Portable special? Unlike the standard version, the portable edition doesn't require installation. You can run it directly from a USB drive, an external hard drive, or even a cloud folder. This is perfect if you're using a computer where you don't have admin rights or just want to keep Rufus ready to go on any PC. The features in Rufus Portable are exactly the same as the installed version. You can choose your partition scheme, MBR or GPT, pick your file system, format your USB, and create bootable drives for Windows, Linux, and live USBs. All the advanced customization options are available too, just without installing anything to the system. A big advantage is portability and convenience. You can carry Rufus on a small USB stick, plug it into any Windows computer, and start creating bootable media immediately. This makes it ideal for IT professionals, technicians, or anyone who frequently works on multiple computers. Some tips when using Rufus Portable. Always ensure you're running the latest version for best compatibility, double check your USB selection to avoid accidental formatting, and verify your ISO files before creating bootable drives. These steps will make sure your portable Rufus experience is smooth and reliable. In short, Rufus Portable is all about flexibility, convenience, and power without installation. It's a perfect solution if you want to create bootable USB drives on the go or on computers, where installing software isn't an option. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with friends who might need a portable bootable tool, and subscribe for more tech tutorials and guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.